What's good, YouTube? Today, I am letting y'all know I am doing classes, face-to-face, one-on-one classes. I'm not doing it all at once. I'm doing one-on-one classes on how to make CPNs. The book is $380 to $400, depending what you trying to learn and what you trying to do and how you trying to do and how you trying to build your business CPN. So you just gotta let me know. I'm doing primaries, I'm doing AU trade lines, I'm doing installment loans. So you gotta do me a favor, y'all. Okay, well, what come with the class? You'll learn how to make CPNs. You'll learn how to make AU trade lines. I will show you where to get primaries from. And I will show you how to make AU trade lines, how to make a fake social. I'm going to send you the template, ID. I'm going to send you all the business websites for your business credit. I'm going to show you how to make a business CPN. I will show you and give you the ins and outs about the CPNs and how to not get your CPN red flag. I will show you how to properly use a CPN, how to get approved, and send you the sites where to get approved from. So work with me. Repeat, work with me. Let's go, YouTube. I'm doing deals. So $380 to $400 for the ebook, and I will make you your CPN for free. Yes, for free. When I'm adding the primary on there. And the primary is just on-time payments. You know what I'm saying? AU is just authorized user on the card. So I will show you how to make a trade line. It's so simple, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So come on, let's get it. And I will show you how to make your credit score jump from 0 to 780 in 2 weeks. Let's go. Go. Y'all know what it is. This Bandman, what? Rio. Have no fear, because Bandman Rio is her. So look, I ain't gonna lie. Man, don't miss out. Don't miss out. This is a good ass deal. These people really charge like $800 just for this. But I'm giving you a free CPN, and I will be on FaceTime showing you how to make your own CPN. You know what I'm saying? Doing the whole class. So y'all just gotta bet with me, man. My number is down below. My Telegram is down below. Hit me up and we'll go over the prices. Hey, you want the best? You want the best product? You want the best results? I got the best prices. I'm not luring them. That's it. Work speak for it all. Thank you.